In the journey of childhood, every moment is a chance to learn, grow, and discover. Welcome to Mindful Kids, where we unlock the extraordinary potential within every child. Step into a world where education is not just about facts, it's an adventure. Every corner is a new discovery, and every challenge is an opportunity. At Mindful Kids, we redefine learning. Dive into captivating stories, solve puzzles, and experience the joy of interactive education in virtual reality that elevates your child's understanding. But we go beyond academics. Mindful Kids empowers your child with mindfulness, a superpower for focus, resilience, and a calm mind. Using CASEL framework of social-emotional learning, we can introduce positive habits in your children, such as responsibility, confidence, cognitive thinking, and much more. Learning is not a chore, it's a playful adventure. Our interactive games and activities built in virtual reality environment make education so enjoyable that your child will look forward to each learning moment. Whether you are a parent or an educator, our purpose-built mobile app and web portal are designed to provide you with all the information you need. Get performance analytics, achievement scores, and future learning paths all in one platform. With Mindful Kids, it's not just about the present, it's about illuminating futures. Watch as your child grows, learns, and embraces a world of endless possibilities. Unleash the potential within. Choose Mindful Kids. Because every child deserves a brilliant journey filled with wonder, learning, and success.